Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Jasmine. I just wanted to make a quick update. I'm going to be finishing all the stuff I cut up. I started this like maybe last week and just now I'm trying to finish it. Well, my dad was right. Since this is lead free, it doesn't have it's just not the same as the silver green stuff, the 10 and then the 10% silver. I'm using this. I may use silver green to make necklaces and stuff, but for like belts, I'm just gonna start using this. But I just realized something. I used this last time to solder this, and it wasn't as good. But I finally read the instruction manual, because I started doing this just based off watching YouTube videos and stuff, but I should have read the manual. This is not good to be soldering with lead-free wire. So yeah, I was pulling on this to test it out. So all of these are actually pretty strong and like they're stuck in there. But this one was a little bit loose. So I'm going to have to redo this one, and then I'm going to do the other side. And I'll show a picture from the instruction manual that I bought from Walmart. I'm going to be making more of these. I did cut off more shapes, but I thought I just should finish these up. I need to go to Hobby Lobby and buy more of these. But yeah, there wasn't much left, I think, because there's a lot of other people buying them up. But yep, I just wanted to give a quick update on that. That I just realized I should have read the instruction manual, the guide. What's that? Here's the guide, Deluxe Craft Tool from Walmart. It's really for woodworking, but yeah, now it's heated up, so I'm going to be doing that and listen to thrifting videos on YouTube. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be making more videos later on and taking pictures of what I'm doing. Not everything, of course. That's reserved for something else, but some things I'll be making videos on. Anyways, thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Goodbye.